Hi guys, I am here once again with this perfect idea for this moment during Christmas and after Christmas. If this is your first time to join this channel, you are mostly welcome. Also, after this video and you find it interesting, I'll be glad if you could subscribe. For this project, I'm using sticks that has a bit branches and also stones for the basement. Any difficulties you may face, leave a message in the comment section and I'll do well to assist. Shout out to all our community members. The last time the lamp that we did using palm kernel and also coconut shell, it was very amazing. I saw the feedback and I really loved it. Keep it up and we will do more. Remember to use cement because I mixed the sand with cement. Also, the coiled iron rod, it helps in strengthening the base even when it falls.